What's good, No Revving fam? It's time for another do-it-yourself. This time we're going to be working on Mason's AMG. You want to tell us what we're going to do?
Well, my driver door speaker is blown and the unlock and lock button, the decal's peeling off of it, so we'll be replacing that.
Oh, okay. So you already did...
I already did my passenger door.
We'll see if this picks it up or not.
Oh, definitely will.
It's going to be noticeable?
For sure. Like,
okay.
Like, you'll be like...
Whatever you're doing, turn me all the way up. My nigga, I'm amazing.
That's the right speaker.
It's like my homies ride, so these haters slide. Got my nigga tape.
That's fine. That's speaker. It's barely making any noise.
Wow, that's terrible.
So, yeah, that's what we fixing today.
Yeah, you can't live like that.
Yeah, for real. So to take this driver door panel off is only one bolt in here and one bolt in here. So, what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna pop this out and I'm gonna pop the tweeter cover out so that when the door panel is ready to come off, these won't be in my way. And you're gonna make sure that you roll the window up so when you drill the holes that you don't drill through your windshield, your door window. And to get this door panel off, you need to unplug this purple harness and this blue harness. Then lift it over and unhook where the door handle hooks to the cables. There you go. Is he out there?
Guess so, yeah. They're facing up the couch.
Get my flathead. So since these buttons are peeling, I'm going to replace it with new ones. Alright, so first we're gonna unplug this harness.
How much did that cost?
Well, the employee discount is $22.
Well, how about with not employee discount?
Probably 30 something. That would be my guess.
Oh, okay.
But you can find them online in the 20s.
Okay.
Just snap in place, just like that. And then plug the harness back up after you put this piece back over. Okay, now that we replaced the lock door switch, we're gonna move to the speakers. And the speakers are bolted on by rivets instead of, traditional screws. So the only way you're gonna see the screws is gonna have to peel off this sound insulation outside of the speaker to get access to the rivets before you drill them.
Are you not going to put resound back on, insulation back on that?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, because really, I don't see any other cars with it, so I don't know where I'm not trying to have the best sound system in the world anyways. Now that you have those uncovered, you take an 11/64 drill bit and you put it right in the center. Alright, so now that you got all three of your rivets off, you need to pry your speaker off. There we go.
That was easy. Oh, where's
Here's
busted
the
at?
factory speaker. I guess it's busted internally, but...
Turn it around. Yeah, it must be torn at the magnet.
Oh, there we go. Wow.
Told you.
Whew.
Dang.
Yeah, no wonder. After you take your speaker off, you want to make sure that you reach in there. I don't know if you can see that. But all the rivet pieces, you got to make sure you get all of those out. Other than that, you're going to have a lot of rattling when you put your new speaker in. So I ordered these kickers. I'll probably put the model number in the description. I ordered these off of crutchfield.com, and they came with these adapter rings. And right now, if I try to set them on top, they don't set in right. So what you gotta do is you gotta break the tabs off of all of these on the ring so that the speaker can set in. Alright, so next thing we'll have to do, there's no converter harness to go to aftermarket speakers, so I had to cut the wires and splice them. So the green wire is power and the green and brown wire is negative. So just cut the wires like so. Okay, after you put the adapter ring on, it has little guide pins. And to feed these through to the speaker, you need to drill a hole through here, because if you tuck it through the back, you'll get whistle noises from, you know, all the vibration and bass from the speaker. So this kit didn't come with any screws to bolt on the adapter ring to the car, so I just took a wild guess and I bought some bolts from AutoZone, and these are M6 1.0, and you're just gonna have to make your own thread through the door. Just push hard with the tool and bolt it in. And once you get the door panel back on, you're back in business. This song you'll be playing out this one.
I could pick a cool song for you.
No, sorry. Cut that out.
Please.
Not like this.
Yeah, I was just about to say that.
Like an introspective monk. I'm balling on the court, I'm a guy in the snap a flick of my junk. My junk is trending on Twitter. And now I'm at the club, I tell my way to get in it.
Back.
My business, there I am.
Alright, well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Wow, I can't even talk. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Anything else you want to add to this?
Nope.
It's booming, you know.
Hey, you like it? You approve?
I approve.
Okay.
You see the thumb, right?
Well, until next time, no Revving out.